People, welcome back to the screen of my phone. So in this video we'll be talking about how you can make from 20k to 100k monthly just by using your smartphone. Hey people, welcome back to Self Hustle. This is Kemi of Self Hustle. If you're seeing our video for the very first time, please do well to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share. And if you're a returning subscriber as usual, please do well to like this video and share. And also let us know where you're watching us from, and let us know if you have any question about this particular video or any question about any video that you want us to review. So guys, let's head straight into this video. In this video I'll be sharing with you 5 legit websites that can actually help you make money from the comfort of your home. Now, you do not need to break the bank or go around looking for a laptop. These 5 websites are websites that you can actually use your smartphone for, and the number 5 is actually the very best website you can think of, because it even pays like double. It pays in dollars, double of what you'll be earning on other websites. So guys, the first website we'll be looking at is called Afrimat. Now, Afrimat is an affiliate website that enables you to sell products online and make more money. Now, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing simply means you're selling other people's products and making commissions or token from that particular item. Now, please do not get me wrong, you can also shop on this website and actually get a return on your shopping you get. So this is one of the best websites you can come to when you want to sign up for affiliate marketing. What you need to do is to go to their website, sign up right here where it says sign in. Once you click on this button where it says sign in here, once you click on this button where it says sign in here, you click on affiliate login. So once you click on affiliate login, it will ask for your login details, and then you come down here to where it says don't have an account yet and click on sign up. Now, once you click on sign up, you put your name, your first name, your last name, your email, your phone number, your username, your password, and every other details they ask of you, and then you submit. So once you submit, you'll be able to see their product, review the type of product that you want to promote. Now, it is very important that you choose a niche when it comes to promoting other people's products. So without wasting much of our time, just go to afrimat.com and sign up. The second website is called Stake Court. Now, most of you will know Stake Court and most of you won't, I don't know, but Stake Court is actually popular amongst Nigerian affiliate marketers because Stake Court is one of their go-to when it comes to selling digital products online. Now, for you to sell digital products online, all you need to do is just ensure that you have a traffic flow, and it is even easier now to get a traffic flow. Yes, and before the end of this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can get traffic to your link. You get, all you have to do is to come on Stake Court and click on claim your free account. Once you click on claim your free account, you'll be able to access products and other things, and also they have free live training about everything you need to know about Stake Court and how you can promote their items and all of that. So without wasting much of our time, let's go to the next video. The next on our list here is called Giant Alert. Giant Alert is the next on our list. Now, Giant Alert is actually a commission-based website. Like other websites that I've listed, they are also commission-based. But then again, Giant Alert is strictly based on 20% commission, which is actually high when it comes to affiliate marketing. Because some affiliate websites will actually tell you that they're going to pay you 5%, some 15%, some depending on how good that website is, but on an average 20% commission is actually good. Please, all you have to do is to come to their website here, giantalert.com, review the items they have for the affiliates and see which one suits you best. Maybe the softwares, the courses, the services, anyone that you know that you want to dive into. Please do your research. Although I have done a research for you and I've listed out these 5 websites that are actually legit and are actually paying. You understand? These 5 websites are legit and are paying their affiliates, marketers. So that is why I have them here. Now, just all you have to do is to come on this website and click on become an affiliate. Once you click on become an affiliate, you fill in all the details that is expected of you and you start promoting their products. This one on our list here is called DigiStem. Now guys, I'll share with you 2 websites where you can promote your products at the end of this video. DigiStem has actually been around for a very long time. DigiStem is one of the most used affiliate websites for affiliate marketers. You need to learn and understand how DigiStem works. People will tell you that make money online with zero this thing, whatever. You don't need money to make money online. You don't need anything. Well, if there are websites that you do not need money, which is true, but then again there are websites that you actually need to invest your time, do research, invest your energy. It is not easy to make money online. That is the basic truth. You understand? But if you are able to invest your time and energy into researching about some things, you will be able to make money online. That has one of the easiest withdrawal method. It sends money into your local bank account. They have an e-learning platform where you can learn about their website, learn everything you need to know about their DigiStem products and all those things. And also they have link shortener. Their link shortener is one of the best because it makes it super easy and short for you. Now, next thing is you have a live chat support. Live chat support, whenever you're having issues, you can easily run to their live chat and chat them up and they will be right there to reply you. Now, all you have to do is to click on these 3 dots here. So once you click on these 3 dots here, you click on sign up. So once you hit the sign up button, you allow it to load. After then, you register using your username, your email, your country. You choose Nigeria. You change this to 234, the mobile number. You input your password and you confirm it, and that's all you need to sign up on digistem.com. The last but not the least, which is actually my favorite, is Amazon Associates. Now, Amazon Associates will actually pay you commission when someone buys a product or an item from Amazon.com. You understand? When someone buys a product or an item from Amazon.com. Now, this is one of the surest form of affiliate marketing, because definitely almost if you're in Nigeria and you don't even know what is called Amazon.com, well, I don't know, but this is like one of the most trusted website that will actually pay you in dollars, because it is not a Nigerian based company at all. So the website that can actually help you to promote your affiliate links or drive traffic to your affiliate links, as in give you buying customers, one of the websites I want to share with you is called medium.com. Now on medium.com, you can use ChatGPT to create articles. Now within those articles, you have to input your affiliate links. Now please ensure that your articles are actually giving value. What I mean by giving value is, after you choose a niche and you create an article about that niche, ensure that that article is actually helping someone to do something. That is like a push for them to buy your product. You get. Now the second website that can actually drive traffic to your affiliate link. When I mean drive traffic, I mean free traffic, is Quora.com. Now you can decide to use the search bar to look for questions that people are asking, or ask a question using the search bar, or try to answer questions that are within your niche using the search bar. And then while you're answering those questions, you will input your affiliate link in the answer. You understand? Or you can post a blog post and put your affiliate link. Just make sure that the post you're posting is actually giving value. Now guys, not wasting much of our time, I really hope that these 2 websites I have actually shared will help you to make money using those 5 websites that are affiliate websites for you. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? If you have not liked this video, please do what to like this video, subscribe to our channel and share, and I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.